kod Sadik. Kaodhi nyime jadolo maduong' e kanisa mar jokopere mochung'ne gwenge manyeri Anthony Muheria koro wacho ni piny owacho onego chok pach oganda ewi wach kelo chiemo ma inyayo kod nyinyo kata GMO. Bishop Muheria bende dwaro ni mondo jatend migawo mar ohala Moses Kuria okwa Jokenya ng'uono ewi wach mane ogol ewi GMO ma jadolono wacho ni nyalo kelo ne oganda buok mathoth.
And even if it is an issue which could be taken as a joke, it would be wrong to bring about statements whereby we trivialize death, trivialize suffering, trivialize insecurity. For this reason, we feel, irrespective of the matter in case, in consideration, would request, honestly, that the Kenyans deserve respect and not spite. And in this matter, they do deserve an apology. It is not good to joke with death or to gamble with the life of Kenyans as if it was Russian roulette. For this reason, we feel this matter is more than just a joke when we speak about GMOs. It's a serious matter that deserves discussion, deep, sober engagement. It's not on one hand a decision for us to, on one hand, just embrace them wholeheartedly, completely, without any reservation, nor a situation where we want to reject the use or even to address the need that could be for a specific time. It's a matter of discussion, it's a matter of engagement and respectful strategic engagement.